All right. Today we're going to talk about listing and what that means in ASL. So in English, when we say or when we write something like, um, I like spaghetti, toast, and bagels, we kind of use commas, right? So in ASL, instead of saying, I like spaghetti, I like bagels, I like toast, I like pizza, instead of saying I like, we use listing. So that kind of counts, it acts as a comma like you would do in English. So your non-dominant hand is the list, and your dominant hand points to each thing on the list. So for example, you hold up as many fingers on your non-dominant hand as the things you're listing. So if I'm listing 3 things that I like, I could say I like tigers, and I point to the next finger, lions, and I point to the next finger, and bears. So it's kind of like saying and or having that comma. So I don't have to say I like lions, I like tigers, I like bears. I can just list them. So I just have to say I like, and then I can list them. You can list 3 things, you can list 4 things, you can list 5 things, you can list 6, 7, 8 things if you wanted to. You just act like there's an imaginary finger. But for today, you're just going to list 3 things. So your non-dominant hand is going to look like this. Always start at the top with your thumb to list, and then you just sign the animals that you like or you don't like. This way you don't have to repeat yourself every time. So we're going to practice listing today. So you have to know these signs. So a sign for favorite, you're going to tell me your favorite animal or prefer. So my favorite color is purple. The sign for like, tell me 3 animals that you like. Like, so you're taking it from your heart because you like it. And don't like, you take it and you throw it out. Don't like. And notice how I shake my head. That's called negating, meaning don't like it, I shake it away, throw it out. So for your assignment today, your video, I'll give you an example. You're going to start with your favorite animal, 3 animals that you like, 3 animals that you don't like, and you need to practice listing. That is the key here. Practice listing. So for me, I would say dolphin, my favorite. I don't have to list there because I only want you to tell me your favorite animal. I'm honestly just curious and I want to know, and you're supposed to know the sign for favorite, and we get to practice the animal sign. So for that one, you don't have to list. You're just going to say, what animal is your favorite? Or like, you're listing. So I like 3 different animals. The first one I like dogs. Second one I like horses. And the third one I like tigers. Now for the next one, we're listing again, and you're going to say don't like. I know there's probably not animals that you really don't like. Just make up ones that maybe aren't your favorite, that you kind of don't really care about. So for me, I don't like 3 different animals that I don't like. First one, maybe a sheep. Second one, fish. And the third one, cows. So again, to make it up, you do have to say animals that you don't like because we're practicing that sign, don't like. They're going to see this and we're practicing listing. Okay? So make sure you are listing. You need to have all 3 of those little sentences in there. Okay, so 3 things that you like, I like, and 3 things that I don't like. And then don't forget your favorite animal. All right, let me know if you have any questions.